Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 37 of learning HTML and CSS. My name is Ryan, and in this lesson we'll be learning about inline frames, or iframes as they're more commonly known. So let's go to W3 Schools and have a look at the HTML tag reference and the iframe tag. Here's a simple example of an iframe. An iframe will load the contents of an external source, so that's a website, into specific frame on your page. It's a scrollable frame. You should probably give it a width and a height. So there is a width and a height property. There's the width property and the height property. So let's do an example. It is an inline tag, which means it has to be inside of a block tag of some sort. Certain websites will not allow you to load their contents into an inline frame. They would probably have certain code embedded into their page using JavaScript, and they will say, no, sorry, you can't embed us into your iframe. One of those pages is Google. So I'll use leadingtraining.co.za and close my iframe. Now it's a pretty good idea to specify width and height, otherwise it won't know how to render it properly. And you should have a closing iframe tag. And there we have the example. You can see it has put a border all the way around, which I don't think looks that wonderful, but it is a self-contained scrollable area. So maybe I'll make that a bit shorter, maybe 400. And then I would also, in my CSS, maybe give this iframe a ID. I'll call it L training. And then just set the border to 0, border width. So that actually looks a lot better without the border. So you can see it's scrolling horizontally, which I don't really like. So to stop that, you just have to increase the width of the frame. Okay, it still needs a little bit more. Almost there. Let's make it 1000. Okay, it's teeny weeny little bit left. Let's make it 1010, 1010. There we go. So that horizontal scroll bar has completely disappeared. So it only puts the scroll bar in if it's necessary. The vertical scroll bar is still here. Okay. So that ends our lesson in adding an iframe to our page.